we're going to add another destination to ByteMail's international shipping machine. However, before we do this, let's take a moment to review the limits of each code block in a nested if statement. Take this piece of code for example. The first if statement is known as the outer if statement. It controls the code in between the first set of curly braces. The second if statement is the inner if statement. This one controls the second code block. In programming, it is common practice to indent nested instructions using the tab key. By formatting our code this way, it becomes easy to see that the second if statement is inside the first one. You can also easily see that the instruction to change the shipping price is inside the inner if statement. Without any indentation, our code would look like this. It is much harder to read. One last thing before we start building the machine for ByteMail. Make sure to write all curly braces. Forgetting even one curly brace can cause all sorts of bugs. Therefore, it's always a good idea to double check that all your code blocks have an opening and closing curly brace before running your program. Now, we're ready to start our task. We must add France as a new destination. Just like the previous destinations, packages of less than 10 kilograms receive a special price. For this destination, the price is $20. In the code editor, begin by replacing the first question mark with an else-if statement. The condition of this else-if statement should check if the destination is France with an uppercase F. Then, inside the code block of this else-if statement, create another if statement. The condition of this inner if statement should check if weight is less than 10 kilograms. If this is true, assign shipping price a value of 20. That's it! Run your code to test the machine with the new destination.